All right, what's up, YouTube? This is OJ with OJ's Auto. Got my partner Rambo here. We working on a 2004 Grand Marquis. It goes for a lot of Fords and Lincoln Navigators and things like that. But he was having a problem starting it because of the security that was put on here by the dealer. Well, when he bought it from, where you bought it from, bro?
Car Credit City.
From Car Credit City. They had this little module on there. We couldn't figure out why it wouldn't start. I'm talking about, I'm checking all the fuses, the relays. I'm going under the dash. I'm going under the car. We up here looking at the motor. I didn't know what this little box was right here, but I was thinking that had something to do with it. We over here looking at pulling fuses, checking on Google, YouTube, everything, trying to figure out. Couldn't find nothing that had to do with getting the car started. He'll put the key in the ignition, turn it, got full power. Everything's good to go with the power. Had the battery, alternator, everything tested. Still wouldn't turn over. Wasn't no security lights and nothing popping up on the dash. So come to find out, after I'm fooling around, I go under here under the dash. I remove this little metal plate that was under here like that. See what I'm saying? And this was the cover that was over the metal plate. Just decorative pieces or what have you. So I'm under here, I'm looking at the fuses. I get to looking at the wires. And come to find out, they had this Passtime box from Car Credit City, I'm assuming, hooked up and connected up into his wiring right here. It was just these 5 wires. All you gotta do is disconnect them, cut them loose, disconnect them, what have you. It's 2 wires that you keep connected. This blue wire and this purple wire, you just splice those, connect them together because they're already attached. This red and I guess gray wire up here, if you can see it. The red wire with the gray stripe. So instead of going all the way up in here and connecting those 2 wires together, you see them? Right here and right here. Instead of going to connect those, I just connected these together. And lo and behold, as soon as I did that, turned the car over, it started right up with no problem. So y'all have any questions or concerns, please comment, subscribe, thumbs up, whatever you want to do. But that's how we figured it out. Let me go ahead and show y'all. This thing cranks over now. It's been sitting for, what, a couple months probably?
Yeah.
Sitting for a couple months because he couldn't. Yeah, that thing running now. Yeah. I know y'all heard it. So again, any questions or concerns, give me a comment or what have you, and I can let you know what's going on. But yeah, simple fix. They had the box tucked all the way down in the little corner down here. Oh. See, here's the steering wheel. A few boxes right down there. They had this little box tucked down here in this little corner down there. Like that. It was tucked all the way down though, and they had the wires running right here. It was grounded right here, which is this black wire. It was grounded right there. Then they had the blue wire right here. See the blue wire? There's this wire right here. Purple wire. There's this wire right here. The red wire was spliced in to right here, if you can see where my finger's touching. I just cut that off. I'm just go ahead and seal that up. And good to go. So any questions, once again, let me know what's up. Glad I can help.